Assalamualaikum. Today we will going to have zigni, Ethiopian national dish. Here we have a lot of minced onion that we will going to cook in around 25 minutes without oil. You should stir it every 5 minutes to make sure that it won't get burned. This is how it look like now, guys, after 10 minutes. Remember, only medium heat. Now it's time for our oil, guys, after 25 minutes. Our ginger and garlic paste. Now our main ingredients, Ethiopian barberry, our butter ghee, cardamom, black pepper, and salt. Here I have 1 chicken cut into 8 pieces. Put it to our sauce and mix. Put a little water and simmer another 25 minutes. This is our zigni, guys, with egg. Enjoy. Try it at home.